Hey. So I've been getting asked why I keep saying that people need to buy aged Reddit accounts and why there's this big thing around needing aged Reddit accounts and why people are trying to acquire them and use services to buy them and stuff like that. What's the big deal about it? Can't you just create a Reddit account and start posting? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you why it's not as simple as that.
Hey, I'm Bjorn Olsen from YourOFEmpire.com, owner of the OnlyFans Empire, an OnlyFans management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world, completely remotely. No office, hence the different hotel rooms and all my different videos. Check us out at YourOFEmpire.com or at YourOFEmpire on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get back to the video.
All right, so here we have an account that I purchased, just some shitty aged Reddit account. The whole point of it was that it was already preloaded up with Karma, which is the kind of currency that Reddit uses. It's kind of like credibility. The more Karma you have, the more active you've obviously been on Reddit. So therefore, it opens more doors, opens more subreddits for you to be able to, participate in. So this is just a shitty aged Reddit account I purchased a while ago. As you'll see, it was preloaded with just under 700 karma, along with comment karma. Yeah, karma is the overall currency and then divides up into comment karma. Pretty much how participative you've been in each of these categories. And some subreddits will kind of restrict your participation based on the karma in select categories. Not all do. There's a lot of subreddits that just let you post right out of the gate. They're starting to get more and more tight regarding the how long a Reddit account has been active, when it was created, how much karma it has, before they're allowed to post in these subreddits. Mainly because they're fully aware of what OnlyFans creators and managers do. They're spaming the fuck out of Reddit accounts, creating tons of posts, funneling everyone to their OnlyFans account. So a lot of these subreddits want to kind of counteract that by at least putting some kind of restriction on into how new a Reddit account can be before it posts on their subreddit. How aged a Reddit account has to be before they can post on their subreddit. As a way to kind of mitigate spamming. So yeah, as I was saying, so here's a shitty old Reddit account I purchased a while ago. I can't remember how much it was. I think it was like 30 bucks or something. I'm just using this as a demonstration. So this is when the account was created 11 months ago. When I purchased it, I probably purchased it 6 months ago. So purchased it and it was already 6 months old, which is, usually aged enough to be able to participate in a lot of subreddits or nearly every subreddit, I think. And then it's got enough karma. I, I'm pretty sure, I don't know of any subreddits that where you need, 1,000 karma just to post. But I could be wrong because a lot of these subreddits don't specify how much karma you need. So let me show you a few examples of the types of messages that subreddits will send to you to say that your account is not able to post on the subreddit, which is why you need these age Reddit accounts. So let me go through a couple of them. So here's one here. Doesn't show the subreddit. I just kind of screenshot these earlier for this video. So due to high levels of spam, all new accounts are blocked from posting. If you're a real person, you may message them on to ask to be approved. That's one. Got a few others here. Where are they? Oh, there's one. So where are we? Sorry, your account does not meet our minimum account age requirement of 30 days. Okay, so this one actually specifies one of the rare ones that actually lets you know how old it has to be. Minimum age requirement of 30 days and link comments karma requirement of 500 and 100 respectively. Blah, blah, blah. So it's just saying this has been automatically filtered by a bot. There's another one here. In order to make selfie, good subreddit, by the way, safe for work subreddit. In order to make selfie a better community, we require a minimum karma and or account age before you're allowed to post. And currently your account does not meet one or both of these limits. We will not tell you what the requirements are. So a lot of subreddits do this, in particular the ones where that is popular with OnlyFans creators and managers. So that's one. Here's another one. This is Ask Reddit After Dark. It's an NSFW subreddit, but just for questions, just posting questions. So there's not allowed comments or posts from new, throwaway, or low comment karma accounts to prevent spam and trolling. Here's another one. We will not tell you specific or even general karma or age requirements. See what I mean? So you start to get to the idea. So it's for this reason that you need aged Reddit accounts in order to market the OnlyFans account effectively. Otherwise, you're going to be severely limited by the number of subreddits that you're actually able to post to which ultimately means you're not going to be able to funnel much traffic to the OnlyFans account. What I did was I created a whole bunch of Reddit accounts at the start and then purchased an aged one. So while I was working on the aged one, getting used to how to schedule, finding which subreddits to post on, etc., I had other Reddit accounts sitting there aging. Now, the mistake I made when I just got into the space and I just started doing it, what I did was I created a whole bunch of Reddit accounts on the same computer using the same IP address. And what happened when one of those accounts got banned? They all got banned. That's when I learned right quick. You need anti-detect web browser with proxy IP addresses. So therefore, each account has its own proxy IP address. So if one Reddit account gets banned, no worries, the other ones do not get sacrificed along with it. So that was an expensive lesson. So this is just a few examples of the different subreddits and the messages you'll get. So what will happen is you'll post to a subreddit and then you'll get this message in response letting you know the post has been removed. Now, where do you find aged Reddit accounts? Well, let me show you. So there's a couple here. One is Player Up. This is where I got a few from back in the day. See what I mean? You'll go through and it'll tell you how much post karma it's got, how much karma it's got, how aged it is. 2 to 4 years. Obviously, the older it is, the more it's going to cost you. So there's another one, 1300 karma, 2K to 4K post karma, 4 to 6 years, blah, 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 0 to 1K post karma, 8+ years, 2 to 4 years, 8+ years, blah, blah, blah. See what I mean? So you can go on websites like this, go on marketplaces like this, and it's going to tell you how much karma it's got, how aged it is, how old it is, blah, blah, blah. The only thing with buying aged Reddit accounts is that if you notice on here, the username is going to be pretty random because what happens are people create these accounts, they choose the usernames, and then the usernames are locked in. So when you purchase the account, it's going to have some pretty unrelated name like this, Mega Man 007KP. Now I tried to mitigate that using line derivatives, but then I didn't end up using this account at all. It's kind of just sitting there for a while. So it's one of the stash that I was talking about. I just got a whole bunch of these all on their epoxies. Yeah, so it's going to look like that. You can mitigate that. You can just create a bio and stuff and change the name, but there's going to be some usernames there that are going to be unusable. So you'll see them before you purchase them. Like there's going to be some usernames that say, I don't know, for example, muscly dude. And you can see how that wouldn't work with a girl's account because you can tell it looks fake. So just be mindful of that. That's the only kind of catch with buying aged accounts is that the username is pretty irrelevant most of the time. And then where else were we? Yep, so that's one marketplace. Another one is Swapped. This is a lot more kind of broad because you buy anything on here. You can literally buy anything. So here you go. So they're selling bulk. People selling bulk. It's just a whole bunch of whatever. Someone's selling adult sub. Oh, right. Yeah. I thought they were selling like info. Yep. Okay. Yeah. So people selling subreddits as well. Oh, I see. Yeah. So they'll just sell the accounts with the subreddit. Yeah. No, I know what you mean. Never actually done that. Never actually brought one. Um, so as you can see here, you can even buy subreddits. You can buy user accounts that already have subreddits. So that is one there. Got a whole list of different marketplaces on, you guessed it, Empire. And so that's it. So the whole reason why you need age Reddit accounts is because if you try posting to a whole bunch of subreddits using a new account, you're just going to get a ton of messages like this, and your posts will get deleted straight away. So that is the reason why you need an aged Reddit account. Then here's a couple of marketplaces you can use, and there's a whole list of them on, you guessed it, Empire Forums. Empire Forums, it's just getting, check this out. Product roadmap. It's just getting insane. I say this in every video. It's just getting ridiculous. Like it's just getting so good. Okay, here we go. So we've got a product roadmap here. Model lead giveaways. Then we can personalize custom AI feeds. So it's going to be like Facebook and Twitter. It's going to start feeding you what you like. Premium chat room. Then we're going to monthly prizes, affiliate program, and the mobile app valuable to premium members only. You might want to get in quick, by the way, because the price is increasing for premium members when we hit 500 members. How many members are we at? I think we're at about 580, 480, sorry. Getting there. Well, 486. So you better hurry up. Otherwise, the price is going to be significantly more expensive if you wait until after we've got 500 members. So you might want to jump on that if you're, I don't know, if you want to know everything. And so that's it. So I just want to make a quick little video explaining why aged Reddit accounts are so important and the big deal behind it all. So that's it. So if you like the video, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the Empire Forums, baby.